Hi everybody, there is a terrible thunderstorm here. It's terrible, I've never seen that. I really can't go out. Oh my god, I'm impressed. Can see distantly. I like to film some lightnings, but I think that there are not many at the moment, and they probably are up the house. I go to look, it's all dark in the house. I'll try to here in front of the house. Look at the water. Wait a minute. I go to look, it's all dark in the house. I open the front door to show you the water, but I can't go outside because I don't want to fuck up my camera. Look at the water. Look at that. Terrible. We're gonna have floods. Look at the speed of the water there. Wow. Look at the wind. I can't go too much outside because I don't want to fuck up my camera again. Look, it's raining in the house.